If you're planning a trip and have a Medicare Advantage plan, you might be wondering how your coverage works while you're on the go. Today, we're going to dispel some common misconceptions and provide you with all the information you need to travel confidently with your Medicare Advantage plan. Traveling within the U.S., Medicare Advantage plans cover medical emergencies and urgent care nationwide. Use in-network providers whenever possible to minimize out-of-pocket expenses, as they offer services at lower costs. Check your plan's website or contact your agent to find in-network providers at your destination. Medicare Advantage plans offer limited coverage for emergencies and urgent care abroad. Routine care is usually not included. Review your plan's international coverage details in the evidence of coverage document or contact your agent. Understanding these details helps avoid surprises and ensures preparedness. Using in-network providers maximizes your plan's benefits by reducing costs. Before traveling, check which providers are in-network at your destination through your plan's website or by contacting your agent. Understand your plan's specifics. Each Medicare Advantage plan has different rules and coverage options, especially for travel. Review your plan's evidence of coverage document thoroughly. If you have questions, reach out to your agent for clarification. Always carry your Medicare Advantage plan card while traveling. To recap, Medicare Advantage plans cover emergencies and urgent care while traveling, but understand your plan's details and limitations. Use in-network providers, review your plan's documents, and consider additional travel insurance for extended trips. With the right preparation, you can travel confidently and with peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.